అతిలోక సుందరి ఐశ్వర్య రాయ్ తో మణిరత్నం రూపొందించిన మూడో చిత్రం రావణ్. ఆమెని వెండితెరకి పరిచయం చేసింది మణిరత్నం. ఆయన తీస్తున్న ఈ రావణ్లో ఐశ్వర్య రాయ్ సీతగా నటిస్తోందని పుకార్లు షికార్లు చేస్తున్నాయి. కానీ తన పాత్రకి సీత కథకి ఏ మాత్రం సంబంధం లేదంటోంది. ఒకే సినిమా కోసం ముగ్గురు హీరోలతో రొమాన్స్ చేసిన ఈ అతిలోక సుందరి చెప్పే ముచ్చట్లు మీకోసం ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ గా అందిస్తున్నాం.
If you ask me, yeah, it has been one of the most challenging films we have all worked on. Ragini is very, very strong, very rooted. She's an Indian woman, and I loved essaying her. I mean, till date, Mani keeps joking, and I was sitting with the backdrop here of tigers, but yeah, he keeps saying tigers, and I'd be like, yeah, love it. We both have talked about, whatever the number of years and this and that, but it's wonderful to be reminded with this movie. He does actually officially complete 10 years here in the industry, and oh wow, time flies in all our lives, and I think that's a good thing. I really would not want to be accused of bias, but the truth is I have genuinely admired Abhishek as an actor. His lineage has always been spoken about first, whereas he as an actor has worked meticulously to carve his own niche. I'm glad when eventually I've got the opportunity to work with a talent like Vikram. It's in a Mani-Ratnam movie. And how? I mean, to have got the opportunity to work with him as Veera in the South Indian version. No point in time did I feel it's the same person, and I think that's what happens when we are on film. It's truly, it should answer the very oft asked question about how it is working with your real life husband like Abhishek. And I keep saying that when we're actors on set, we're just actors on set.
जाना कर हीरे जग बदनामी होए, पत्ती पत्ती झर जावे पर खुशबू चुप ना होए। हटती नहीं, अरे हटती नहीं, सोते सोते बोलता हूँ, कभी बोलते बोलते सोता हूँ, क्या जाने क्या होता है।